Ever feel that guilt? You told yourself, this time I'll stop. No more scrolling. No more sugar. No more just this once. But then you slip, and the guilt crashes over you like a wave. You feel weak, like you've lost control. You start to believe, maybe this is just who I am, a slave to my impulses. And the worst part? It's not even about the habit anymore. It's about the shame, the disappointment, that deep feeling that you keep breaking your own trust. But here's the shift. You don't need more willpower. You don't need to fight harder. You just need to surf the urge. It's called urge surfing, a powerful science-backed technique used in addiction recovery, and it can work for you. Next time the urge hits, pause. Don't react. Close your eyes. Feel the urge rise inside you like a wave. Notice where it shows up in your body. Don't run from it. Don't feed it. Just observe. Because here's the truth. Urges rise, they peak, and they fade. In 90 seconds, you are not broken. You've just been pulled under the wave. But now, you rise above it. You ride it. And when it passes, you'll feel something powerful. Freedom, control, real strength. It all starts with one wave. Follow GrowShift for more life upgrades.